How's it going? I'm Tom Henwood with Mainline Overland. We're wrapping up another stage with this 2025 Grenadier. We did some suspension, wheels, and tires this time around, and some skid plates. We're going to take a look. This customer went with Agile Overlander HD wheels. It's an ET30 wheel. He went with the bronze with the black lip. I think it looks really nice with this maroon color. We did a 285/75/17 KO3 tire on there. He's going to be doing a mix of road and off-road, so we wanted a good all-terrain in there. We went with the Trail-Flo shocks up front and in the rear. It's a reservoir shock. Has a really nice Cerakoting on it to protect the shock body. We also did the Eibach Pro spring kit, and we did the Metal Cloak suspension upgrade kit. This customer already had a Fox 2.0 ATS steering stabilizer in here, so we supplemented that with the Trail-Flo shocks from Alvans, and then the Metal Cloak suspension upgrade kit. We also did the Metal Cloak adjustable sway bar end links on here. So we have the adjustable sway bar end links inside. These have a quick connect, so you can disconnect the front sway bar. They're adjustable, so we can adjust them to the height of the springs. We also did the Alvans complete skid plate kit with the polyethylene skid coatings. These coatings allow better deflection of objects like rocks on the trail. You can actually replace these as well. This customer is going to be doing fuel on this side of the vehicle and MaxTrax on the driver's side. So we did two of the Leitner side hacks to be able to allow storage and weight carrying on this side of the vehicle. The customer had a Rhino rack originally. We added a Leitner front crossbar to help support the eventual rooftop tent and boxes that are going to be on the roof of this vehicle. We also added a pair of S1 scene lights to give him some illumination for cargo management on the vehicle. So on the rear here, we did the Owl tire relocation kit to deal with the larger 34-inch tire to clear the small door. We had that relocated back here. So in the back of the vehicle here, he already had a GearMate set of drawers. We added to that the ENGEL tilt fridge slide with the NT45 fridge, as well as the EcoFlow alternator charger and Delta Pro. On the large drawer of the Grenadier, we added the Factor 55 tailgate table with cutting board that tucks away nicely. This customer often travels with his dog, so we added the ENGEL and the EcoFlow in such a way that we could retain this with both these items inside. This Grenadier is really coming together nicely. We have a lot more to do on it, but we're really excited with the progress thus far.